Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience using Lastminute.com. Review of the Lastminute.com booking platform, a user's perspective. Lastminute.com is a multifaceted booking platform catering to travelers in search of exceptional deals on flights, hotels, vacation packages, and exciting activities. Renowned for its concentration on last-minute travel solutions and budget-friendly prices, it's the perfect online destination for spontaneous adventurers and those who prioritize flexibility and cost savings. A standout feature of Lastminute.com is its dynamic packaging option. This allows users to combine flights, hotels, and even car rentals into personalized vacation packages at reduced rates. This is particularly beneficial for families, couples, or solo travelers aiming to streamline the booking process and save money simultaneously. The platform also shines in providing last-minute deals on both accommodations and flights, making it an excellent option for impulsive getaways or unplanned journeys. Navigating the platform is a breeze thanks to its clean and intuitive user interface, equipped with robust search filters for price, star ratings, location, and amenities. Each listing features comprehensive descriptions, vibrant photos, and authenticated customer reviews, ensuring transparency and informed decision-making. Another impressive feature is the Top Secret Hotels option. This allows users to secure highly rated hotels at significantly discounted prices. While the specific hotel name is unveiled only after booking, the details provided offer ample reassurance and confidence in your selection. Moreover, the Lastminute.com mobile app elevates the booking experience further, offering exclusive app-only discounts and a simplified way to manage your itineraries. It's the ideal travel companion, providing on-the-go access to deals, bookings, and real-time updates. Lastminute.com also stands out with its emphasis on activities and experiences. You can discover a diverse range of options, from guided tours to rejuvenating spa days, enriching your trip planning process. Flexible booking options and a user-friendly refund policy further enhance its appeal, especially for those with unpredictable schedules. In summary, Lastminute.com proves to be an outstanding booking platform for travelers who value convenience, affordability, and spontaneity. Its competitive pricing, distinctive features like top-secret hotels, and extensive offerings establish it as a dependable choice for both meticulously planned and last-minute trips. Click the links in the description to explore Lastminute.com and discover the best deals for your next adventure. Don't delay, start planning your dream trip today.